To help your Kubota RTV X1120 series utility vehicle operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Changing the oil and filter on your RTV X series machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have all necessary parts to complete this task. You will need an oil filter wrench, a selection of hand tools, and a drain pan. Shop towels will also be helpful. The used oil can be drained out more easily if the engine is warm, but be sure to allow the engine to cool down sufficiently after running it, as oil can be hot and may cause burns. After you've turned the vehicle off and parked it on a flat surface, raise the cargo bed, securing it with the safety support, depending upon your options. Of course, be sure to turn the engine off, then remove the rear skid plate. Place a drain pan below the oil drain and then remove the drain plug. Turn the plug counterclockwise with the correct size wrench to remove. Once the oil has been completely drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten properly. Be careful not to over-tighten. Remove the oil filter using the oil filter wrench if necessary, counterclockwise to remove it. Clean the metal surface on the engine, wet the O-ring on the new filter with a thin film of clean, new engine oil, then install the new filter, turning clockwise. Once the filter contacts the base, turn an additional half-turn by hand. Finally, fill the engine with new oil. Be sure not to overfill, as this could cause engine damage. Refer to the operator's manual for the correct type and quantity of oil. Run the engine for a minute or so after filling, and then check for leaks. Then shut it off and double-check the oil level and correct the level as necessary. On the RTV X series, the first oil change is due at 50 hours. After that, the next change should be done at 200 hours, and every 200 hours after that. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for all of the maintenance intervals. It's also important to check the oil level prior to each use. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.